Need hiking shoes that can handle any terrain, rain, rock, or snow? Let's check out the RAX Mid-Top Waterproof Boots. Meet the RAX Mid-Top Waterproof Hiking Shoes. Designed for the trail, the mountain, and everything in between. Whether you're trekking, camping, hunting, or climbing, these boots are built to perform. Right now, you can grab a pair for just $56.42. A great deal for professional-grade, outdoor footwear. Click the link in the description below to buy now. Made with suede and microfiber uppers, these boots are fully waterproof, breathable, and equipped with a shock-absorbing EVA insole. The rubber outsole offers serious traction for slippery or rocky trails, and the mid-top design gives your ankles the support they need. Perfect for men and women, these boots fit true to size and are ideal for winter hikes, wet conditions, and all-day trekking. These aren't your average sneakers. With professional-grade design and construction, they're tough enough for camping, climbing, hunting, or just tackling your favorite trail. And thanks to the lace-up closure, you'll get a snug fit every time. If you're serious about outdoor performance and comfort, the RAX waterproof hiking boots are your perfect trail companion. Click the link in the description below to grab your pair today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more outdoor and tech gear reviews.